Yeah. So the question I wanted to ask you is, what does, seeing the results that you've been able to achieve, seeing you go through the program now, what does your wife actually think about all of this?
She thinks it's really fun. She actually is really excited to see where this goes, and I'm just getting started. And so she's excited. She actually has helped me make some of my. She does marketing, and so she helps me with some of my graphics and she made my course look a little bit better in terms of the content of it. And so yeah, she's really happy that I'm doing it, and she sees that it's a passion project of mine. Once the baby's on bed and everything's quiet at nighttime, instead of just watching Netflix, I'm working on this course instead. And it's great because I know anyone watching this, you say you're busy, but you always find like 2 hours a day to watch Netflix. So all you have to do, or YouTube videos or whatever, right? You just replace that time with this, and you'll make a bigger difference for yourself. But more importantly, you make a difference for others, and that's something that you need to really consider. Get out of your comfort zone. Don't just cut back a little bit on that social media, and you'll have all the time in the world to do this.
Yeah, I love that. I love that. Yeah, I've seen that to be a common pattern inside our community where um, people might join by themselves and then they would also bring a partner along, and it becomes like a almost like a collaborative project that they have together, like a side project. Um, and it's really quite awesome. Seeing how your wife, is an instrumental part of building out this process with you. So I'm really happy to hear that.
Yeah, she's happy, exactly.